I love your TikTok lives. I'm a big fan.
You said rev it?
Yeah.
I can't grab my brake. What's up, guys? We are back with another video. It is a weird day for me to shoot a video because it's a weekday. Oh my god, we're scored and I felt it. Oh my god, why does every time? Oh my god, let me grab a. I don't even want to tip over because I'm just gonna want to spill. I'll do it after. But we are back. And my bike is squirting. Like always, she stays squirting. Like, that's ridiculous. Bitch, why you be squirting like that? Like, I get it. You excited to see me. It's been like 2 weeks. I've been busy. You've been getting vlogs. I know. You guys have been seeing our weekly vlogs. And, oh my god. You guys, damn, how empty were you? She's thirsty. She fucking squirting and she's thirsty. This is ridiculous. It'll cost me more than $20 today. Okay, that's good enough. God damn, I squirted. It cost me $21. But, guys, when you make her squirt, be a real man. Get your ass up. Go get the towel for her. Don't make her get up herself. And clean her off. Come on now. Gotta be a real man. Clean her off after you make her squirt. If I post this on Instagram, I'm getting canceled. Okay, guys, you know what? F it. I'm gonna crop this and I'm gonna put it on Instagram. Cancel me. Oh, what is wrong with me? We are on our way to our buddy Fiora's bike reveal. So we are going not too far from here. And we are going to meet up with him. And there's a little ride / Taco Tuesday before his bike reveal. So we're heading over there. But like I was saying, let's close this before we hit the freeway. It is a weekday. So I have to be up at 3:30 in the morning for work. So we're not going to stay late. That's for sure. Not staying late at all. It's actually only like one right away. But yeah, we're not. Oh, buddy. But yeah, no. Oh, I don't know if you guys can hear me. Might be moving too fast. But I'll say it anyways. We are on our way to Fiora.Nismo's new bike reveal. His bike is already at Hermit's shop. I think it's the Hermit shop's name is Hermit's Garage. So his bike is already there. He's supposed to be on, I guess, on Hermit's extra bike. But it's a little group ride leaving at 8:30. And then I'm riding over there. It's going to be a little bit of freeway. Going that way, like, I don't know, 20 minutes, if that. But yeah, no, so we are going to be meeting up with them. They're meeting over here, I think at the Target. We're going to look around from when we get there, but I'm going to pause you guys here because there's no point in recording until we get over there. And then I'll record our ride from there to Hermit's Garage and maybe do a little filming at Hermit's Garage. But after we stop right now, I got to make sure to switch you guys to pure mode, so when it gets dark, we get to see good. Here's your kinks, and shout out to Insta360 for this Ace Pro because there ain't no camera that does night footage like the Ace Pro. And hopefully my baby today don't want to overheat because, you know, riding during the summertime, she be get hot. My balls be on fire. We got some cooked nuggies, you know. Ridiculous. But nice and cool today. Keep her nice and cool. Actually, no, it's humid. It's big. I'm bullshitting you. This California weather has been ridiculous. While I've been working, it's been 97 every day. Every day. And I've been working and remodeling a roof. So it has been rough. So I think that's the light we got to turn in on. We got to like MotoGP. We got to drag knee, hit 3 lanes, then drag a right knee. That's the plan. Ready? So drag left knee in this turn. Punch it. Pop a wheelie. Come back down before the light. Brake. Stoppy. Come down. Release. And then drag another knee to the right. We got this. Damn, she's rolling. I want a Vespa. I think it'd be so much fun. Imagine me and all the boys get Vespas. Drag one knee. Okay. Get Tesla. Where the heck you at, Rob? I will expose your name because I don't know where the f you are. Sub. I'm just the guy that has too many pistas.
I love your TikTok lives. I'm a big fan.
Guess what? My TikTok lives bought Steven a whole helmet. He has a new KYT.
Oh really?
Uh-huh.
How's his bike?
Well, that's why they got it for him, or helped me get it for him. Anything different since I seen it besides the tank? No. No? Okay. So I'm like, I'm a double talk.
Dude, without the tank,
It still was black. It matched. You're so extra. Yeah, those frame covers are. Okay. Hey yo. Yo.
What's up? Hi.
How you doing, baby?
Good, how are you?
You good? Oh. No.
No, that.
Okay, I'm like, you finally got rid of the mirrors, but.
No.
No, yeah.
No.
You should copy that.
Hi.
You should get rid of your mirrors and be like this guy. They're nice. They're nice.
thank you for guiding me in.
Yeah, I couldn't tell either. And luckily I have his location. I was like, what the f does he do that? And then copy K and get the carbon. I think those are so cool. I wish they made them. I wish they made them for my bike. I love the mini windscreen. Stop being a you just buy it already. That's what the Amex Platinum is for. That's what the Amex Platinum is for.
Do it, you get rich off TikTok anyways.
No, I have those.
Yeah, what?
The mauves. Mauve. I was like, I had those. That's one of my favorite.
That's cool.
That's one of my favorite ones that's released since like 2022. I don't know. Fucking white people.
But you could be racist because you're half, so it's
Yeah, exactly. See, you're learning. White people aren't as dumb as they look.
Sometimes.
Yeah, facts. I get it. Hi, Kate. Well, how you doing?
Well, you show?
Chilling.
Treating you, bro?
Huh?
I said, how's the bike treating you, bro?
Besides this damn summer heat and trying to ride an Italian that loves to run hot, it's fucking. Oh, but this overheats way more than Ducati ever did.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's ridiculous. Like literally.
That one doesn't even really heat up like that.
Oh, you wrapped it? Or is it wrapped or?
Come on, bro.
I don't know. Who makes forged carbon fairings?
Italian.
Huh?
Somebody from Italian.
Oh, okay.
Italy.
Dope. Well, that's awesome. Congrats, huh? Well, I don't want to be too far back. I want to be close to the front with Rob because there's too many idiots here today. Alright, I'm dead. Yeah, this is gonna be stupid. I don't know how good you guys can hear me, but this is, pretty ridiculous. One of our old friends that had a V4 a long time ago that we met, V4S, has built an insane full carbon, forged carbon at that V4, which is super dope. Ducati Panigale V4 to be specific. If you didn't know the reference from the V4S reference. Watch out, there's a cop up here. We're definitely have the cops called on us. I hate people. You want to touch tips? Yeah, that was hectic. I'm glad I stayed towards the front, though. This man is a fucking menace to society, but I knew him from before. He had a full carbon Ducati, and he was a menace. He is a scary safe rider. He's a scary safe rider. Like, he's a very good rider, but fucking scary. Like I said, I rode with him before it was full carbon, and he's still doing it with a probably 10 grand body kit. Oh my god, how do I become cool and come park inside?
Hey, Papa.
Oh, look at his pants. Look at his pants! Who's the puppy?
It's his uncle's.
Who's your uncle? If he tries... Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I was like, I'm so sorry, puppy. Your face looks always depressed, I feel. He just has like a very droopy, sad... Huh?
We have a really depressed face. It looks like they've neglected their lives.
Yeah, you look like you've been locked in a kennel your whole life. I'm so sorry. If you want to come over and go swimming with my girls, you can. Anytime you come over, she's welcome to come swimming.
Oh, I can come over.
Oh, I just already. No, the funniest. I'm gonna upload this to the After Dark page. So no. But I was filling up my tank and I wasn't paying attention. It squirted. Okay, yeah, there's way too many people here. That was too scary. I was scared. I touched tips with 2 Ducatis. Literally, I split them. Okay, I'll take it off my helmet. Your taco? I got a sauna at home, so I'm like, why buy food when it's literally sitting on the grill? What's up, guys? This is a wrap to this video. I didn't talk much while riding. That is a backpack. That thing looks, I don't even know what bag that is, but that thing looks ridiculous. But we got work bright and early. Can't tell you guys what I do because then you guys will probably find me because it's pretty specific. But we are going to be getting out of here. There was a lot of people. Congrats, Fiora, on the new bike and everything. I've seen it, like I said, or like I was commented earlier, before before the carbon tank. Everything else was done to it. I saw that last weekend, but he just completely finished it this week, I guess. Now we can finally put our keys on. I had to steal my own gas cap, literally, because they were going around stealing people's quick release gas caps, which is ridiculous. Now I'm gonna crash and die because I can't grab my brake. I'm out, because I'm pretty much ready. Yeah, I got work too early. Huh? You said rev it?
Yeah, right there.
Those. That's a wrap for this video. That was a lot of bikes. Pretty hectic. Lean, if you're watching this, take that right there. That's how I feel about you right now. Because those were some good pops. Those were some good pops, some good bangs, and then you did me dirty. Could have got some good Instagram reel and TikTok clips, but you did me dirty. But it's all good. Much love, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and that bell icon so you know when I post. We are, oh shoot, tomorrow's Wednesday and I don't even have a video up. We will be uploading Thursday this week since I am late. Yeah, we upload almost every Wednesday. I guess this week is going to be on Thursday because I got too busy and forgot to upload the video. It's completely done and ready to go up, but forgot to click upload, or forgot to drag it onto YouTube and upload. Oh! Okay. Well, thank you guys for watching again. I will catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.